Till now, whatever software solutions that we have discussed about process synchronization, we saw that in all the software solutions, one common problem was there, that is busy waiting problem. Even Peterson's algorithm and test and set instruction were considered to be the best algorithm, but still both these algorithms couldn't solve the software busy waiting problem. Okay, busy waiting problem exists in all the software solutions. So, in order to solve the busy waiting problem, there is a system call that is sleep and wake. But before going to sleep and wake, I will again I want to discuss about busy waiting solution. Okay, I will give you a brief overview as I have already discussed about the busy waiting solution earlier. So now I will again give the brief overview. So what is busy waiting solution? That is whenever one process is already inside the critical section and other process wants to enter inside the critical section, then that other process is stuck in the while loop. That is, other process is waiting to get the entry inside the critical section. Okay, and why that process is waiting? Because one process is already inside the critical section, and the problem is that other process which is waiting, it will continue keep on waiting till the other process comes out. It will continue keep on waiting. So in doing this, that process is wasting the CPU cycle. Okay, because if the critical section is not vacant, and you know the critical section is not vacant, then why are you continuously knocking the door of critical section? Okay, and moreover, you have acquired the CPU, and with that CPU you are continuously knocking the door of the critical section, and you are just completely wasting the CPU cycle. Okay, so what I want to tell you, just see here. You see, is it visible? Yes. You see here, there's a critical section. Okay, suppose two processes, process P1 is already inside the critical section and process P2 is waiting outside the critical section. Process P2 is waiting means what? It is continuously knocking the door of the critical section in order to get the entry. And moreover, process P2 has acquired the CPU with it. So what's happening now? The CPU cycle is getting wasted. So rather than wasting the CPU cycle, it is better that process P2, rather than continuously knocking the door of critical section, it's better that process P2 should go and sleep. Okay, rather than wasting the CPU cycle, you should go and sleep. In doing so, you will not waste the CPU cycle. Okay, and when the process P1 will finish its task, okay, after that it will leave the critical section. Okay, so after that it will go and wake up the process P2 that I have completed my task. Now you just please wake up and you do your task. So in doing so, you see CPU cycles will not be wasted. So it's a solution of busy waiting problem. Okay, so with the help of sleep and wake, we can overcome the busy waiting problem. Okay, so it's better to discuss busy waiting problem with the classical problems of process synchronization, that is producer consumer problem. There we will see how producer consumer work and how busy waiting, how sleep and wake system call will help in that producer consumer problem to overcome the busy waiting problem. Okay, so in the next video we will discuss about the classical problems of process synchronization, that is producer consumer problem. Okay, thank you.